Counting Birds by Alice Melvin. The house sleeps still through the warm dark night, but something stirs in the dawn's half light. Cock-a-doodle-doo! One noisy cockerel is greeting the sun. Another spring morning has barely begun. Two lovebirds, nestled asleep in the hall, are the first to be shaken awake by his call. Three flying ducks in a decorative row are suddenly bathed in the bright morning glow. 1, 2, 3. 4 baby birds raise their beaks from the nest, squawking and squealing their breakfast request. But which is the cuckoo? Look, can you see? He's at least twice as big as the other 3. Another young baby is sleeping in bed, while 5 fabric birds gently turn overhead. Hidden outside in the thick garden shrubs, 6 small brown wrens are hunting for grubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Magpies in cherry trees chatter and scold. 7 for a secret never to be told. Pecking the ground is the mother hen's brood. 8 fluffy chicks are all searching for food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Strutting about in the heat of midday, 9 handsome peacocks are out on display. With beautiful feathers of turquoise and blue, a great host of eyes seem to look straight at you. The china's been laid out for afternoon tea. Look, there are 10 birds on the white crockery. 11 small chaffinches fly down to find the raisins and crumbs that have been left behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whirling above in the cloudless blue sky, 12 racing pigeons go hurrying by. Way down below, as the pigeons can see, 13 bright pheasants parade round a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 white swans hold their heads up high. Their stately procession glides gracefully by. Dipping and diving with bottoms on show, 15 damp ducks bob their head down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Waddling back to the yard in a crowd, 16 large geese honk and gabble out loud. Honk, honk. As day turns to dusk and the sun starts to set, 17 starlings are not asleep yet. Up on the chimneys they noisily chat, safe from the claws of the tortoiseshell cat. Gathered on overhead wires nearby, 18 tired swallows are watching the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 black rooks flock in tumbling flight, returning to roost in the darkening night. On red patterned curtains inside the bedroom, 20 birds nestle to keep out the gloom. All are asleep now, so none of them see the solitary barn owl awake in the tree. With soft, silent wings, he slips into the night, while the house waits once more for the dawn's half light. The end.